everyone, this is Priya from Vanakkam Germany channel. One cannot buy medicines here in Germany without having German doctor prescription. Due to current corona situation, many Indians or people from other countries stuck in Germany and they cannot fly back to their home country. In this situation, there will be a short of medicines for them. In this video, let me explain you how a person can buy medicines here in German Apotheke with help of home doctor prescription, and also how to import medicine from home country to Germany, what is the procedure, how long it takes, and so on. So, people those who are not aware about me, myself Priya, I do videos on different set of topics for the people those who are living in Germany. We have Telegram group, Facebook group for women, and also more than 2000 people in our Facebook page. Please do join in a medium whichever you are comfortable for. And it's time to start our video. First of all, I would like to thank a person, Mrs. Saraswati, who experienced this and also shared her experience to us, how she bought medicines from India to Germany and also how she bought medicines here in German Apotheke with help of Indian doctor prescription. With help of her inputs, we also researched little bit under what law a person can import medicines from other country to European Union. So I will explain you all in detail in this video. Let me explain you the first option and also easiest way. Just check the generic combination of the medicine what a person is taking. And I will give the link in the description where you can put the medicine name and also find the generic combination like 1 mg, 2 mg combinations will be there. So take this and go to the apotheke and mention that you are stuck in Germany and you need this kind of medicines for this time purpose. Normally, apotheke will reject it since you don't have a German doctor prescription. So in this situation, show the Indian doctor or home country prescription to the apotheke people and they may possible to trust you because you need it in a right time in this situation. There is a high probability they may reject it or they may accept it. If they reject it, try to convince them once again. Or not, try to give a try to the another apotheke. If one apotheke rejects, it's not the same, the other apotheke will reject. Other apotheke or try 2 to 3 apotheke and you may get success. And don't believe this is the 100% solution for it. And make sure to go with the plan B also. It takes a little bit longer time like 1 or 2 weeks it takes. Let me explain you this second option. And this is the official way to import drugs from other countries to European country. And it takes a little bit longer time but not more than 1 or 2 weeks on average. And also you must have the valid reason to import drugs from your home country to Germany. First step, locate local Gewerbeaufsichtsamt in your particular state and they are the responsible to allow medicine in your city. The responsible division, Arznei Metal or pharmacy. I live in Bayern. I will show you example from the Bayern website. As I live in Bavaria, this is the website where it shows the procedure and steps to be done to import drugs from non-European country. Paragraph 72 in Arzneimittel's Gazette explains about the import rules and regulation. You can find the contact details of the department. You can check out the similar site for your corresponding state. If in case you cannot find out Gewerbeaufsichtsamt, you can directly contact to the Central Zollamt, which is custom office located in Dresden, and they will guide you and also give you the contact details of your local Gewerbeaufsichtsamt. Once you locate the office, give a call to them, explain the scenario and also mention that you need a medicine for this moment. Then send a mail to them, explain the scenario once again in that mail and also attach your home country doctor prescription. They will reply back to you and give you a confirmation. It takes 1 or 2 days. Just send this confirmation letter, email to your friend or a person, those who sent your medicine from your home country to Germany. If you're skipping this step and also importing a medicine from your home country to Germany without getting approval, you need to pay a huge fine for this rule. And also you may face many consequences. So try to do this step. It takes only 1 or 2 days for time. Next step, a person who can send medicine in courier from your home country, they need to send the following documents also. Prescription from the doctor which is not older than 3 to 6 months, the ID proof of a person, and also the confirmation letter from the Gewerbeaufsichtsamt which you forwarded to that person. So these are the documents need to be attached in that courier, and also in the top of the courier you have to mention that these are the documents attached and these are the medicines over there in the courier, and send it via DHL, FedEx, whichever comfortable. Once parcel dispatched from your home country, the parcel will reach in Germany in custom officer. So you need to check out by tracking in which custom office normally the parcel is located. Normally, the custom office people will check the parcel and also scan the parcel whether you are imported the right drugs which you needed for the right moment. If you are importing other than that, you may face many consequences. And once you track at which custom office the parcel is located, give a call and send a mail and mention this scenario, and also show the Gewerbeaufsichtsamt confirmation letter, and they will release a parcel immediately within 1 or 2 days, or else it takes maybe a 1 week of time. Finally, the parcel will reach to your doorstep. It takes minimum 1 or 2 weeks, not more than that. And also I made a separate video how the custom rules and regulation will be, how much gold you can carry, and medicines and many more. Please look into the video if you not yet watched. Please share this video to your friends. I hope I gave a very good information to you which will be very helpful for this corona situation. And I will see you in next interesting video. Until bye bye from Vanakkam Germany, Priya.